How many WhatsApp scammers are in the YouTube comment section? That's today's video. Let's dive into it. We're going to use the YouTube Data API to get comments from finance-related videos and just see how many of the comments or replies contain WhatsApp or WhatsApp numbers there to trick people to send them Bitcoin. So first things first, you have to get an API key from YouTube developers, and then we need to collect the data, so the comments and the replies. So these functions are doing that for the data collection. And now here I have a demo with a video from a UK YouTube finance channel, and after running this get all comments function, we put all the comments into a data frame. So on the left here we have top comment and then all of the replies, and we can see that there are lots of emojis and symbols in the comments, so we need to do some pre-processing in order to extract the keywords that we want, like WhatsApp or phone numbers. We have a couple of things that we want to remove, like links or symbols, and here is a demo. We take this particular reply, which looks like this, and after pre-processing we're just left with a number, 11 digits long. So that's a phone number, and that's one of the things we want to find. So now, in order to find the scammers, we look for several keywords. Here we have WhatsApp and all the different, well, not all, but some of the variations of WhatsApp. And the second thing, we are also looking to match a sequence of 11 digits with or without letters in front. So we're looking for WhatsApp or variants of WhatsApp and also phone numbers. So applying that to the video above, we find this particular video, we have 120 replies in total, and 31 of them are scammers. That's over a quarter of the replies are people giving out WhatsApp numbers. And this is for a relatively small YouTube channel, only around 19,000 subscribers. More than 25% of these replies are scammers asking people to contact them on WhatsApp. And this is not even including comments that don't give out WhatsApp numbers, that they're just making up a fake conversation, like this particular one, where they're talking about how they have made a lot of profit, that they've contacted this person, and then it's quite a problem, I think. And that's for a small channel. So let's have a look on Meet Kevin's channel. His channel has 1.5 million, so 100 times more. So we do the same thing. We get the latest video. Shocked what Kathy Wood just said. So he posted this video yesterday, and doing the same procedure, we collect all the comments, 664 top comments, and with lots of replies. We find that 54% of replies are related to WhatsApp and WhatsApp numbers. That's crazy. Over half of the comments in the comment section of Meet Kevin's video contain WhatsApp numbers. That is crazy. Here is an example comment: WhatsApp and then a number and then invest crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum. 54% of the replies, so that's 658 replies that are related to WhatsApp. So yeah, I just wanted to show polluted the comment section is in finance videos, and YouTube should do something about it, because it really does ruin the viewers' experience, because you used to have quality dialogues in the comment section. That's it for this video. If you found it interesting and you want to help clean up the comment section, remember, if you see them, do report them. The more people report them, the more likely YouTube is going to review these comments and remove them from the comment section.